Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install RubyMine on Debian 11.3. RubyMine is an integrated development environment that can help you be more productive in every aspect of Ruby Rails project development, from writing and debugging code to testing and deploying a complete application. RubyMine is available for various platforms such as macOS, Windows and Linux. First, I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next, now I am going to download the RubyMine by using following commands. After install the RubyMine, next extract the download packages. After extracting the download files, next change to the directory from Ruby directory. Next, long listing the directory using ls-la. Now we need to run the rubymine.sh script file to open the application installer setup. You will see the following screen while running the script file. If you done fresh installation, do not have a previously exported settings. So now I am going to choose to the imported setting. This page will be accept the terms and condition. This page will be show for the data sharing option. If you want to share the user statistics, JetBrains, click OK. This page will be show for the RubyMine license activation. Now I am trial version choose. Now I am going to click the evaluate for free and evaluate and accept the license terms and condition. After evaluating, you can start the customizing RubyMine, and first I have choose the UI theme. Click on JDK plus. Next key map. You can customize the default plugins from the following options, and then it offer featured plugins where you can install the plugins as your project needs. Now I am going to click the default plugins. Next select the RubyMine task. Start the RubyMine. This is the welcome dashboard page for the RubyMine. If you have already project, you can choose open, create for the new project. Next page, now I am going to choose the type of the Ruby project depending upon the project. Now I am going to select the Twitter Bootstrap and create the project. Finally, you will see the Ruby project. Now your workspace will appear and you can start working on the development on the project tab. So with this, the process you can follow for how to install RubyMine on Debian version 11.3 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.